Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to pay by using Paysafecard in Eneba. Right, so you can see here this is a website of Eneba and I just want to buy RDR, right? So let's say I will just go to the RDR2 here, and once I go here you can see this option buy now, right? And this is a PayPal, so PayPal is a most preferred option which you can apply here on the Eneba. But I will do one thing, to buy with the Paysafecard I will just go and click on buy now, and I will proceed to checkout. If you have more than one product, then you can just go to your cart and then you can check out here. Now you will see a different kind of option, right? For example, Enba, UPI, PayPal, credit card, and Google Pay, right? As you can see here, PaySafeCard is not available. The reason could be your region, because as you can see here, my location is right now India, and that's the reason I'm not able to use PaySafeCard, because PaySafeCard is not available here. So this is a very important thing. You have to just go to Google and search for PaySafeCard available in my country, right? So you have to search for it and usually it will show up. You can see here many countries including most of Europe and Northern America and Australia and New Zealand, right? So in Asian countries it's not available, but in your, if you are from in that continent, then of course you can use it. So here you will find an option of PaySafeCard, and sometimes you can use the Enba wallet. So you can pay money into Enba wallet by using a PaySafeCard too, and then you can just click on continue and check out. Right, so this is how you can do this. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.